Good morning, guys.
Good morning,
Can you hear
sir.
me? By the way, have I just gone wrong by floating the link with your group? Because it's now BST going on. Let me just check my timetable. And if it says that it's not English, please just leave the session and join BST. Okay? Just one moment.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it's yours, I guess.
Oh, that's why I'm just having a cross check. Yeah, it's English. Okay, one moment, please. I'm just reaching your physical classroom. Just give me a moment. Yeah. And you, Devansh? Sorry. Yeah. Be seated, please, everyone. Be seated, everyone. So those who are online, yeah, I hope you're able to see me and hear me as well. Right?
Yes, sir.
Be seated, everybody. With them. Right. Kalach. Now, can you have the silence, please? Well, see, last class we did discuss speech writing. And we talked about one on the board, and we tried to have some value points. And you were also guided how to develop them. And were asked to write it down in the notebook. But unfortunately, none of you have sent me the. I clearly warned you that this is a new topic to you. It's unlike letter writing, which you must practice. See, letter writing, by hook or crook, you must have learned a bit. How to write it, way to write what, at least you will have. But what about speech writing, which is quite new to you and which you have covered only this year? It needs a lot of practice. And don't forget that you have the same topic. If you can just, if you cannot practice that one, what will you do in the exam? Will you give some space for me? Okay, fine. I'll do that one, and marks will also be deducted accordingly. Now, you are given time now. Everybody should send the work to me right now. If you have already done, please just send me the work. Let me just reflect on it right now. If you need any assistance or help, please ask me as how to write it, what to write it. Please feel free to ask me because this is the time you alone have to practice. You have to the necessary help or assistance if required. Do it and send the work to me. And do not leave the session. You will be literally marked 3 days absent. Seriously, and you will not even be allowed for writing the English exam. I'm very particular and serious about it. Generally, I don't become serious. Now I'm very serious and particular about this one. Everybody should submit the work now. Please go ahead. Start writing the answers
So,
for
which work are you
those
talking about? I couldn't hear.
two speech questions. Well, Ritika, yesterday you were shared with speech writing practice questions, right? And we want
Yes,
the
sir.
answers for those two right now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, please go ahead. Sorry, day before yesterday. Day before yesterday it was there. Oh, wait. So I'm in a misbelief. Sorry. Okay, wait. I will just guide you today as how to write it. So, yeah, it was done for Amartya, not for you guys. I'm really sorry. Now let us see how to do it now. And then you guys must submit the work. Okay. Now please just listen. Have you noted down the question? I'll write the question on the board. Please just open the English notebook, everybody. English notebooks, please. Everyone. Please just open English notebooks. That was done by you, but yeah, that was supposed to be done by you only. But no idea. Very few students have rushed the work to me. Very few students. Now, Amartyan students will be given nicely today. They have not done the work yet. Same is the case with you. If you can't rush the work today, I think I have to take a drastic step. I'm telling you. Right. So please just acknowledge the screen, guys. Those who are online, can you all see the file that was shared with you day before yesterday? Please acknowledge it.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you all see it? Okay, stay attentive, please. Those who are online, can you see the screen, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, there are two questions lying over there. Now, let's attempt one lively. I'll be guiding you as what to do, and you need to write the answer. The second one, all by yourself. Take your time, but you must do that as well. All right. Now, let us see what the question is. Take it down, please, everyone. This is the question. And those who are online, please take down the question. We will discuss the answer right now. And the second one should be done by you. Celebrating road safety. Please just take it down without talking to each other. Those who are online, are you done with the first question? Writing down the first question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just one more moment. चल रहा है? What's happening over there? Any joker? No, no. I'm just asking. Jadugar. Okay. So guys, now start paying attention everyone, those who are online and offline. Sincere attention please. As you all know, speech writing is a new topic to you introduced. You did not actually practice this, you were not taught, as a part of syllabus so far. And that is the reason why it is quite new to you. But see, with a little bit of practice, you're not at that, be quick. When you start it on time, you finish it on time. When I come there, it will be like this only. Okay? So here, if you can just see, there is a question, and we all know that. Thank you, sir. Please come. Please do not disturb yourself and others also. Let them listen. Okay, stop it, please. All right. Done? Now listen. See, I want each and everybody's sincere attention for a little while, please. Here, in speech writing, we have some rules to be followed. सबसे पहले क्या करना है? There is a question on speech writing. What is to be done at the beginning? Before all. Good morning. No. Yes. Which we have to develop when you are writing speech writing. Okay. See, before you start, those value points, those points which will be developed as a part of, as an integral part of, as a main part of speech writing are known as value points. But before that, you must first clearly and completely understand the given question. What dear friends. Now listen, please do not waste the time. Do not waste the time. Now listen, you can just talk about that one in this way. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to all, first of all. It is very sad to know that day before yesterday, a student, what's still going on? Coming from, he's still laughing. What is still going on? Just pay attention. Now listen. So it is sad to note that a student was run over by a bus day before yesterday in our own town. Where are we? Are we really following the road safety rules? Are we really wearing the helmet? See how? Shut up. Let me just do my duty. You can even start it off like this. Recent example, recent reference. Are you able to follow? And you can even just, based on the theme or the topic, you can just talk about a story. You can even start it off with a quotation. Probably you can start it off with, okay, after the greetings. Spirit thrills, but kills. Today, I stand before you to talk about the road safety for school children. Interesting. Started off with a quotation. See, there are many ways to start off. You can give that example of school. You can even just give them the example. When you are just giving the introduction to it, they all will become a part of the introduction to the topic. But while introducing the topic, don't just drag it along and make it lengthier. See, you have to, be very short and clear. Probably you can just use 2 to 3 lines to introduce the topic. That's it. No, but that can be as a part of introduction only. One moment, please. Yes. In? No, I'll come back to that one. Let me finish off the introduction. Shh. Please pay attention. Let me finish off the introduction. Opening lines. Then we'll come back to this one. And I'll also explain how to end it as well. See, value points should be prepared beforehand, before you start answering this one. But as you have to answer with proper opening lines and proper ending lines, I'm just letting you know as how they should be.
Sir, this suggestion, wait. Sir, this suggestion, solution, advice, request,
Anyone. So as per the topic given over there. Okay. Now see here, this is how you introduce it. You can introduce. Online guys, are we clear about the opening lines?
Yes, sir.
Online guys, are we clear about the opening lines?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now guys, we will just develop the value points afterwards. But actually in actual scenario, Awaz Jain, can you please pay attention? And these value points are to be developed after the opening lines, after introducing.
Yes, sir.
After the greeting and after introducing the topic. So you need to develop those points. And what are the points that you write down here before you start answering in the ending lines along with thanking the audience. Okay, for example, if you just take this one, how can we just have it? Okay, you can just have some suggestions. I hope hereafter the school children should not be given vehicles to drive on their own, and those RTOs who are issuing the license will be, more honest hereafter. Issue accidents and to have better safety for especially school children. So something like this. So what are these? These are also suggestions and solutions only. And it's a kind of hope. It's a kind of hope as well. Now how do you thank this? You can thank this. Okay. You can thank these people like, thank you so much for listening to me with rapt attention. Or thank you for listening to me with patience. Something like this. You can just include in one single line and then end the show. Now the main is here. This is the main one. How you develop these points in here. Are we clear with the ending lines online, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us just talk about the value points. You are given 5 minutes. Think about the value points. I'm going to give you one value point to keep you on the right track. Then you think about the other value points that can be developed. You as well think about it. See, those points will be used in this middle to develop the body of the speech. Okay? Let us just see how the value points will be. Now see, the value points, number one, you can have different value points. Please just pay sincerity. Now here, one value point can be, what is the topic about? Road safety for school children. Okay. Now one value point which we can explain in the middle of the speech is, you can just talk about so one value point which you can develop is, when the class is on, please just don't behave like that. No, you can. Please just don't behave like that. You need to take permission before you just go on. Please understand that one. No, respect the class. Now one value point would be, educating the children about the rules by parents. You can just dwell on them. You can describe that point. This is one value point which we can use when we are writing the middle of the speech. See, any value point can be developed into 2 to 3 sentences easily. Now if you have 3 to 5 value points, okay, let's say in the middle, 4 value points, 4 into 3, 12. So in each and every, let's say, sentence, see, 4 value points into 3 sentences is equal to 12 sentences. Let's say in each sentence 10 words. Now how many words? 120 words. We would be able to achieve the minimum word limit easily. So think in that way. Now one value point has been given. Is this calculation clear to everyone? Yes. See, 3 to 5 value points should be gathered before you start the answer. Let's say we have 4 value points. One value point should be developed into 3 sentences. I'll help you out how we can develop this value point into 2 to 3 sentences easily. Let's say that, see, this one only, let me explain this one only. Well, in the present day setup, the parents should also take the responsibility of educating their children. Full stop. They have to educate their children about the rules, regulations to be followed on road. While using roads, it's because of various reasons. What happened with you?
Sir, he's continuously laughing, sir.
Now, can you please stop disturbing us seriously? Because when we are discussing something very seriously, you should understand. Okay? Now, fun is, of course, we can have. Just stop. Don't try to find fault with each other. Stop it, please. You bother friends and leave. And just stay attentive, everyone. Now, here, I'm done with 2 sentences. Now, one more sentence is, you can just talk about while using roads, because of various reasons, the children are not able to, follow the rules. It is also the responsibility of the parents to educate them. So I have taken 4 sentences on the same thing.
Yes, sir.
So slight elaboration required. Like this, have some points. Okay. And those points will be developed into sentences. So one value point into 3 sentences, that means 12 sentences. If there are 10 words in one sentence, then 120 words will be there. That is what we require as a minimum word limit. Now think about the other value points. I'll be waiting for your responses, those who are online and offline. You are given 5 minutes. Take your time, think about the value points. I will just get back to you after 5 minutes at the end. Something like this. See, whatever the mistakes that they are committing should be thought about. No, don't just get deviated. Don't get deviated too much. See, it is road safety for children. Now, if you just talk about that point only and your point only, see, what is the main thing? See, in both the cases, whether they are driving it, whether they are using the mobile phone. See, they both come under one value point. In that explanation, no, not this one, I'll tell you. So, in the explanation of that particular point, all this will come. So, what is that point? That is called value point.
Road safety. Don't go live.
Unintended, unrealized mistakes doing. Unintended means not actually thought of. Indeliberate mistakes that they are doing. Like, of course, talking over mobile phone or any other things. So in this value point, you can include all the mistakes. So that's how you need to take, you need to think about the value point. And that value point should be developed into multiple sentences, 2 to 3 sentences.
Sir, don't drink and drive.
How something like that? See here, do not get much deviated from school children. See, it's all about school children. Let's be in general, let's not be very specific. And might be true with some. Very important. No, I'm not joking, please. So think about that one on those lines. Now we have one more value point, guys. That is unrealized mistakes doing. So in that you can use mobile phone usage, or any other. Generally, the reason behind your laughing might be my pronunciation. Right? Actually, I must tell you one thing. If I speak in Hindi, you laugh, right? So generally, I cannot actually be very accurate to your Hindi. The problem is, yeah, you might not laugh, but you will definitely feel the difference. Won't you feel the difference? You feel the difference, right?
Because of the
So that's what the problem is. And if English is also spoken, and those especially who know the right way of pronouncing the words will also laugh inside. But the fact that we are speaking English on a larger note everywhere by everybody as per their convenience, we are not able to realize that point. But if at all, you try speaking Telugu, my native tongue, I laugh at it. And if I try Hindi, you laugh at it. But ensure that English has to be learned, has to be taught in the way it has to be. Because it's a language. Garlic. Garlic. Now forget about that one. Think about road safety, not lesson. Okay? Testing, stop testing me. Testing yourself. I'm expecting some points from online guys as well. I hope the task given to you is clear. I think I should ask both of you. You.
Sir, I have to give one point, sir. Sir, one
You
have
get relaxed.
without license, sir, without helmet. We have, sir.
Yeah, you can even just include that one, but in a wiser way. Until and unless there is emergency, it is always better to use a cycle. Electric or something like that. Maybe you can be. But let me tell you one thing very clearly and very seriously. If you do not have the clarity of how to write this one, you will definitely become out of law from this. Let me tell you. And out of 5 you can't even get 2.
Sir, first you have to write value points, then you have to start.
Value points for your reference, that will not become a part of answer. You will take the reference from those value points that you have jotted down somewhere. Okay? And develop them. Value points should not be a part of answer. You don't have to write it in the answer. You can write it somewhere. Maybe with a pencil at the end. So you just start developing them in your own answer. Your own answer will be considered, not the value points. I must have all the answers, otherwise I told you. And in fact, Amartyan students will also be the 9th today. Yeah. Okay, online guys. As the time is up, I'm just going to wrap up the session. But I want each and everybody's answers on my personal WhatsApp.
We can, sir, we should not drive. Sir, unnecessary, we can save more petrol because, sir, it is a limited resource.
But always just stick to the main topic. Don't get deviated. Yeah, the points are valid only. But stick to the main topic always. Don't get deviated from it.
Yes.
Be seated, everyone. Online guys, you must give the answer. You must write the answer for the first question and the second question and rush the work to me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rush the work to me today. And the file for practice questions is lying in class WhatsApp, which was shared with you day before yesterday. Just take the reference from it, or else have a snapshot of the screen now and have the answers. Have the answers. One moment, the attendance is still getting ready. What? Those thugs, thieves. Oh, nice. Ullu, aloo. What are you talking about? No, intentions might be different. Yeah? All right. Thank you. Online guys, the attendance is also ready now. You may leave.